To create an origami bird, you can either use a square piece of origami paper or a standard A4 piece of paper. To use the A4 piece of paper, turn landscape and fold a triangle. A rectangle should be left over. Fold this rectangle segment onto the triangle, making sure that the edges are aligned. Reverse fold, and again, to make a crisp edge. Now, using your hands or a ruler, tear this rectangle segment off of the triangle. You can also use scissors for this section, as creating a sharp fold can be hard. In this video, a square piece of origami paper will be used to aid demonstration. Fold the square in half. Fold out again. Fold in half in the vertical plane and open out again. Now, holding onto the corners of the square, of the large square, pinch two together. Bring the other corners to the same pinch point. Hold in one hand and flatten out to create one small square. Now, holding the other sections together, bring one side out and fold the piece of paper together, using the middle seam section as a guide point. Continue flattening out up until the middle section. Then carry on folding out onto the top section to create a crisp point at the top. Do the same with the alternate section. Reverse and do the same on the other side, using the point as a guide point. Making sure that the diamond shapes overlap. Now you should have a diamond shape. The section with two free ends can be lifted, one side of which at a time. Pull it round and then flatten off at the bottom. The fold may be in different places, depending on where you've folded round. Do the same with the other, to form the head or the tail of the bird. Now you should have the familiar shape of the bird. One of the ends can be folded down to form the head of the bird. And now, the wings. And there you have your origami bird.